In this video, I will explain step by step how you insert the SIM card for the Samsung Galaxy A17, and this is Variety Stick 2. So make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Without any further ado, let's find out. And before we start, I just want to explain something that's important to you. Now, if your phone use eSIM with your carrier, then you don't need to insert or inject SIM card. This video will be useful for those people who want to use SIM card or physical SIM card. The physical SIM card, something gonna look just like this. And also you will need SIM ejector tool where you can go to the SIM tray and remove it off the phone. And let me show you in the Samsung Galaxy A17 where you find the SIM tray. It's going to be located on the left side on the top corner, and you should be able to see a hole over here. This is where the SIM ejector should go. By just pushing this, the SIM tray should pop just like that. And the phone is going to even tell you that you remove the SIM tray of the phone. There we go. After you take the SIM tray, the SIM tray has two faces. Sometimes when you take it out, you may forget the direction, how it goes. I'm going to explain to you. So the side where it says SD card and SIM card, and also should say this side up in some phones, this is where exactly the SIM card has to go in this area, and the other place will be for the SD card. That's if you want to get more storage for the device. Now what we need to grab the SIM card and we must put it on the place. And also the SIM tray has a curve shape from the corner, and this is exactly where in the SIM card, so we have to match. The curve must go in the curve, and it has to be nice and flat like this. This is going to be the time where you need to put the SIM card back or the SIM tray back on the phone. You grab your phone and you make sure the numbers of the SIM card must face the screen when you insert. So you grab your phone just like this and just go nice and gentle and push it. If you push it doesn't go, you want to make sure that the SIM card inside the phone doesn't get jammed. So take it and make sure you place the SIM card nicely and make sure it's flat, and then just push everything through. In some cases the phone may not gonna read the SIM card and you will need to restart the whole device. Now if you want to insert SD card, I will highly recommend to turn the phone completely off and then remove the SIM tray, especially if you have like a SD card, so that way you may damage the SD card if you remove without shutting off the device or unmount the SD card. So in this case, if you have SIM card that has service already, the phone it should work. If it doesn't work, immediately restart. If you still have issues, I will highly recommend to call your carrier to make sure that the SIM card is provisioned with the IMEI number with your service with your carrier. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more here on Variety Stick 2. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we will talk to you in another video.